Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Legend. Today we're diving into the world of merch design with MidJourney. We'll go from sparking design ideas to crafting market-ready mockups so you can see exactly how your merch will look before it hits the shelves. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your merch design journey. Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off by taking inspiration from themes or aesthetics and turning those ideas into unique design concepts. Whether you're into nature themes, retro vibes, or something more surreal, Midjourney can help bring that vision to life. For this example, let's work with a theme like vintage surf vibes, using layered color palettes, bold wave shapes, and a sunset background to make it perfect for a t-shirt design. So let's get this prompt ready to go right over here. There are all the details. Now let's send it through and see what Midjourney comes up with. All right, so while it's generating, remember that you can always adjust your prompt to better suit your vision, like adding style cues, say minimalist or vibrant tones. Well, any of those additional details. It's all depending on the mood you're aiming for. All right, and here we go. See, look at this. Midjourney has given us some fresh designs with those vintage surf vibes and layered colors. See, pretty cool, I must say. So these are just concept starting points, by the way. So don't be afraid to tweak the prompt to add more specific details or switch up the color schemes until you find that certain look that really resonates with your brand. The possibilities are endless here. All right, now let's bring some variety to our designs by experimenting with the different layouts and styles. Sometimes a minimalist look with simple lines and clean shapes is the way to go, while other times a bold, surreal approach might make a design really pop. Let's try something unique that blends realism with a hint of boldness for this example. Now, here is the prompt that I've put together right here. Surreal mountains with faces, dreamlike forest, and neon outlines, abstract landscape on a dark t-shirt background. Okay, so here it is. This combination should give us something eye-catching and unconventional. Now let's send this off and see what Midjourney creates. All right, so while Midjourney is generating the designs, keep in mind that small tweaks in language can lead to big changes. For instance, you can use terms like geometric for a structured feel or sketch if you're going for a hand-drawn look. Well, each style can give a different vibe, which is perfect when you're aiming to diversify your merch lineup. And then there it is. See, the process is complete. Now check out these concepts, guys. The surreal mountains, the neon outlines here, the abstract details of it all, these really stand out right over here. See? Another one right here, and another one right here, and another one right over here. See? This is a great starting point to refine the style further. So don't hesitate to add extra elements or try different prompts to bring out the full character of your brand style. Experimenting like this can help you find the perfect look that will resonate with your audience. If you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now that we have some cool concepts, let's make each design truly unique to your brand. This is where you can infuse your brand's personality and message, so your merch doesn't just look good. It feels authentically yours. Think of this as giving each design a personal touch that resonates with your audience. So, for example, let's say we're creating a merch for a fitness brand that's all about empowerment and strength. We could go with a prompt like this one right over here. Motivational quotes with a strong silhouette, dynamic poses, bold colors, designed for tank tops. See, this combination, my apologies for that, should convey the energy and confidence that matches the brand's message. All right, let's send this prompt and see what we get. Right? So, as we wait for the results, remember you can align any design with your brand's values by adding specific traits. If your brand's message is about mindfulness, for instance, try using words like serene or peaceful imagery to convey that theme, though. The right keywords make all the difference in helping MidJourney capture your brand's essence. Alrighty, so here we go. These designs really capture that empowering vibe with bold colors and dynamic shapes. See, this is really perfect for a fitness focused look. See, customizing like this. See, this ensures your merch isn't just eye catching, it tells a story that reflects your brand. So, feel free to experiment with different prompts to get even closer to what feels uniquely you. Now that we've got our designs nailed down, let's see how they look on actual merchandise. Creating mockups is a crucial step to visualize how these designs will appear in real life settings, and it can make a big difference when testing market fit. Plus, it's a fantastic way to get feedback without needing physical samples. So, for this mockup, let's start simple. Imagine we're previewing a t-shirt with that retro sunset design we crafted earlier. So a prompt would go like this one. Casual t-shirt with retro sunset design, foldly needed, and wooden background. Okay, just to add, let's go with 4K, just to make it a bit more realistic there. There we go. So with this one, it can give us a clean professional preview. So let's go ahead and send that prompt right now. And here we go. There we go. As MidJourney processes this, remember you can adjust prompts to fit specific scenarios. Want to see your hoodie design in a casual setting? Try something like person wearing a hoodie with any design at a coffee shop, like that. So realistic mockups not only show the design, but set the scene for where your audience might wear it. And here it is. See? This mockup gives a great sense of how that retro sunset design would look in real life. See? Clean, simple, and instantly professional. See? Visualizing your merch in relatable settings adds an extra layer of appeal and helps customers connect with your product. Now, experiment with various contexts to see which settings resonate best with your brand vibe. See? Pretty cool, huh? And there you have it. A full journey from inspiration to mockup. With MidJourney's help, you can turn your merch ideas into something tangible and market ready.